Okay, why is there so little organic coffee? I mean, we're looking at this unorganic coffee right here. Why is there so little organic coffee?
Well, I have actually an answer for that. And well, guys, it's harder to grow organic just because the fact that starting for the fact that you need to educate yourself as a coffee farmer on what are the best practices, because organic coffee focus is towards feeding the soil and actually building microorganism and culture that will grow your soil, so that the plants will have unlimited resources, so that they also grow strong against any insects and other things. To grow this way is easier, you know, because you just buy a fertilizer and you know, it's a different process.
You're off and running, basically.
Yes. So, well, in CopeAgri, there is both sides of the coin. There are coffee farmers that associate to the cooperative on a traditional or conventional modality. And what the cooperative right now is pushing is to make that transition into organic, so that we have higher value coffee and we're also protecting the land and building soil.
About how much more is organic coffee worth?
Well, it's worth, for example, our friends at Rivas, they have an organic farm, which is beautiful. And there is a unit called Fanega. Fanega is like 200 kilos of fresh coffee. So per Fanega, they charge around $300 to $330, right? Some organic coffee farmers, they cannot go less than 500 because they have so limited amount and the labor is so hard to keep it against the climate change and also the insects that are here attacking the coffee farmers. You know, that's the price. And for this one, you can easily get it at $60, $80 La Fanega, or the 300 to 200 kilos. So yeah, man, this is what I'm saying. What we're promoting here in MocaMagic, we're helping the organic coffee farmers to add more value to their product, because on top of that, guys, the sad idea, show them this. What is sad is that over here, the coffee berry is gone, right? This was harvested for another project, not MocaMagic. This was harvested to export as green organic coffee for roasters. So it's not containing the berry. It's not containing the coffee berry skin. So 50% of the harvest is gone. And this is something that the coffee farmers that are doing it organic, they don't monetize on. So our proposal and our invention, and this what MocaMagic is all about, is to using both the berry, the fruit, and the bean in a single and unity, keeping them together so that we keep all the nutritional value. So same as I'm drinking this awesome water from the Chiripó mountainside, imagine what is separating, if it's even possible, separate the water and just, the idea is to keep resources together, and that way that's why this project MocaMagic is so important for Pérez Celedón and for Costa Rica, because we are duplicating the productivity and the monetary reward of these organic coffee farmers, because we are giving them also money for what it was considered waste before. So I hope that answered your question, guys. And David.
One more.
For sure.
Why is organic better than conventional?
Well, man, when you're growing the soil, right, instead of feeding the roots with fertilizers and chemicals, there is this wow, how can I explain it? More than using the word magic, because I really love that word, but the taste, the nutrition, everything glues together, into a superior harvest. It's better quality and it's also good for you. Some things are organic and don't taste as good as traditional or conventional. What you're looking for here is something that is free of pesticides, something that is free of abrasive chemicals.
And above all, something that tastes better.
Yeah, man. So tastes better and is healthier for you. So that's my answer.